Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Free Bitcoin Trick Series. Today we discussed about some app where is pay in Bitcoin. You need only play and earn the Bitcoin with playing. If you not interesting to invest some on the mining rig or online mining, you why you not start the playing the Bitcoin, playing some games, then earn the money. Now we discuss. I have list down some app where is already most pay. Today this are my blog spot. I share with my link. Okay, this already is pay highest pay and this both is pay. And this are one app and Storm is a very interesting pay. Today we make the video on this crypto pop. Crypto pop we earn here popcorn and Ethereum. Same crypto word is same admin is both is being same app here then you search here search the word for you complete the word then you earn the Satoshi. But we today now we start on the crypto pop. Okay, let's start how can working on crypto pop. Now we start on the crypto pop. Okay, how can working this one. See this, I click on crypto pop. Okay, this go to Play Store directly, then you make the install this crypto pop. Already installed, I opened this one because when you install then directly you open this one. This okay is open. First you go to wallet. This some advertisement maybe come. This you when you finish then you continue. Simply here go to cross and cross this one. Okay, first go to wallet. This was advertisement. First you update your Coinbase wallet. If you not have, I already put link in my blog spot. Otherwise also link here. You can make the create the Coinbase wallet. As share link, start the game. Okay, we already and popcorn. Popcorn you also wallet address add here. If you earning the Ethereum. Okay, let's to start. Then to start game this one. How can you earning popcorn? First you click on new game. It's very interesting sound. Okay, cross. This is come see is first here. This is the level 1 and the target 10,000 Satoshi. 10,000 what is mentioned Satoshi, everything is mentioned, and highest I already highest mine this one 51,000 Satoshi, and this my Gavis count is available. I maximum reach 16 level. When I reach the 16 level I earn 51,000 Satoshi, 52,000 Gavis, but is pay this more. This you reach this maximum earn maybe as 15 minute, 15 to 20 minute. But this if you not have mining then you are this. See this I click here to where is to same advertisement, double click, then okay is finish. Okay, check in bottom where is have in bottom more similar. This see this have more similar, then you continue this one only. This is solution, then you easily recover. Okay, this also have completed. Okay, completed. Then we make this one. Is double click. See this still not finished. My level is clear. Is mentioned stage is clear. Now this is all remaining. All is bonus. Not anything you if you finish. Not this all remaining is Toshi is bonus. Now this one. Okay. See how much we recover this one. Also we attach here because this behind. See mention now is how much is 4 block is the next level, then you okay. Next cross this window. Okay, next stage is clear. See this my Satoshi is how much I earned the one. My target is 10,000 I earn more than 36,000 because it is reached with the next level. Repeated same thing, new level. Check in bottom which has the similar more. For example, this have, and this one on the top. We save this one, and this we see Bitcoin sample Bitcoin. You leave this one, and Monero sample. You also leave this one. Other you finish this. We finish. Click here and this one. See, I click this one first. We would take the Bitcoin in bottom. Okay, this also go in the bottom. We need the Bitcoin, and see this is not have. Okay, we finish the Bitcoin now. This finish. See, this is more, and this we also finish. See, this over is completed. Approximate is more we are. If we take the bottom, okay, see this my sample. Now is clicked. How much is mentioned? 1 minute is 15 block. This huge. Now this stage over stage is clear. Similar you make also this one because it's earning huge. We also make your live payment proof. I hope you all friend you understand. Okay, now this is balance. It gives us the bonus. Okay, we'll go to back. This one advertisement is open. Don't worry regarding this one. Simply cross. No, go to my wallet. Okay, see this our store Gabby's. This 102 over referral bonus. Now we make the claim. Already I make 120,000 Satoshi. Now I simply click this claim. Yes, of course. In 1 minute. Yes, every 2 days next you come. Every 2 days you make the next claim. Okay, I close this one. Please wait. Okay, he sent us email. He says your Ethereum on way. Check your email. What we email? What we email? See this lifetime earning. No lifetime over earning is increased. Just one. Okay, referral bonus is 0. Here this one. This link I provided in the bottom. I hold videos some. Okay, friend. See this we received our Coinbase email address 0.004 Ethereum. Okay, this we already received, and this is mentioned your Coinbase payment is to come. If you are earning more, I recommended this all website. This you earn this one, and also I provided here is link. But the Stormplay and Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, this already I received the payment. This is next we make the payment proof. Now we receive the 2 payment. Inshallah, subscribe my that YouTube channel. Inshallah, we come back with a new video. Thank you for watching my video. And if you have any other interesting site, please mention below the comments. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.